So mini satellite, it is also one type of the sequences are present in the DNA. Another sequences repeat is that the VNTR, that is a variable number tandem repeats, STR short number tandem repeats, and that is a MVR mini satellite variant repeats. जसे मिनी सॅटेलाइट वगैरे जे आपण पाहिलं होतं त्याच प्रकारे आणखी कोणते रिपीटेड सिक्वेन्स असणार, VNTR, STR and MVR. According to these repeat sequences, we are confirmed that the distinguishing of that organism of that. Okay, and these are the sequences, all are the polymorphic in nature. Here is the important concept for the DNA fingerprinting. These sequences are polymorphic in nature in each organisms. जसं आपल्यामध्ये आणि आपल्या मित्रामध्ये फरक आहे त्याच प्रकारे त्याच्या जे रिपीटेड सिक्वेन्सेस आहे त्याच्या पॅरेंट्समध्ये आणि आपल्या पॅरेंट्स आणि ऑफस्प्रिंग्समध्ये म्हणजे फादर आणि चिल्ड्रन्समध्ये जे रिपीटेड सिक्वेन्सेस आहेत ते सेम असतील. बट इन दिस द अदर ऑर्गॅनिझम द रिपीटेड सिक्वेन्सेस इन पॅरेंट अँड द चिल्ड्रन्स आर द रिपीट. बट these the sequences, according to this concept, we are confirmed that the DNA fingerprinting techniques. Okay, आता हे जे मिनी सॅटेलाइट जे सिक्वेन्सेस जे रिपीट्स DNA मध्ये असतात, अकॉर्डिंग टू धिस वी आर डिझायनिंग द probes. Okay, in this the DNA fingerprinting we are designing the probes, and these the probes are binding to the repeated sequences, and these the probes are the radio labeled. According to this the radio label techniques, in this they are binding to the repeated sequences of that, like the mini satellite, VNTR, STR and the MVR. It emits the radiation in the autoradiography, and it is confirmed that that repeated sequence is present in that of the samples. Okay, so designing of the probes. Important another point for their DNA fingerprinting is that the probes designing. There are the two different types of the probes are using in the distinguishing of that the sample, that is a multilocus and the single locus probes. Multilocus and single locus probe. Multilocus probe. According to this meaning, the multilocus probes are the multiple site of the binding on that of the repeated sequences. Means it produce the more bands, and it is a repeated bands binding to that of the sequences of the repeated in that of the DNA. Multilocus probes are the short in length of DNA. There is a features of the multilocus probes. It is binding to the multiple site on that of the repeated sequences. Another point is that it is a short length of the DNA which binds to the target DNA of several places. Binds to the target sequence of the various in a DNA places, and thus produce the many bands in the autoradiography, like the LiDAR. जसे की LiDAR आहे, जसे की CD वगैरे जी LiDAR असती त्या प्रकारे it is produces the more bands on that of the autoradiography. In this the particular uses in the paternal testing, when the many bands are analyzed, the paternity with established with the certainty. Only one in a 4 bands match other in a unrelated probes. So it produces the more bands in that like the LiDAR. Okay, it is using in a paternity testing. Only one in a 4 bands match other in a unrelated peoples. Okay, another is that the single locus probe, that are the two probes are designing for their DNA fingerprinting. Another is that the single locus probe. The single locus probe meaning is simple, is that it is binding to the only the single position of that of the repeated sequences of that the sample. Okay, it bind to the target DNA only at a one point. Okay, if any individual, only the 2 bands will be produced using these probes. जर आपण जे एखादं सॅम्पल घेतलं असेल आणि त्याची आपण DNA फिंगरप्रिंटिंग करत असतात, तर जेव्हा आपण सिंगल लोकस प्रोब यूज करणार, दॅट आर प्रोड्यूस द ओनली द 2 bands observed in a autoradiography. Means in this we are know that the जेव्हा सेगमेंट हे जे जीन एक्सचेंज होतात त्याप्रमाणे जेव्हा ऑफस्प्रिंगमध्ये जीन ट्रान्सफर होतात दॅट इज वन इज ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम द मदर अँड द वन इज ट्रान्सफर फ्रॉम द parents. According to this concept, the single locus probes are binding to the one locus, means that the one binding site is from transfer from the parents, one binding site transfer from the mother. Okay, one is from father and one from the mother. According to that, the single locus probe, it produces the two bands on that of the sample. Okay, so in this, the forensic investigation uses the 3 or 4 different single locus probes on a single sample to get the 6 to 8 bands. The forensic जेव्हा इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन होतात तेव्हा जे आपण सॅम्पल यूज करतो त्याच्यामध्ये जास्त करून सिंगल लोकस प्रोब्स आर प्रिफर्ड. इन दिस द प्रोड्युसेस द 6 to 8 band. जेव्हा आपण 3 to 4 सिंगल लोकस प्रोब्स यूज करणार फॉर दिस द सॅम्पल, इट प्रोड्युसेस द 6 to 8 band. इट increases the possibility of accurate identification of criminal. Okay, it produces the accurate identification of criminal. Okay, so in this the various testing, so we are preferring the single locus probes that much of that of the multiple locus probes. जास्त करून कोणतं प्रिफर करतात? सिंगल लोकस probes. It produce the bands, low bands, but it produce the accurate result. Okay, here is of the probes. And what is the advantages of the single locus probes? That is a single locus probe, they are the more sensitive, they have the every particular decomposed DNA show the clear profile with a single locus probe. They are enable, another advantages is that they enable mix of body fluids. Another important is that it not mix the any body fluids. Another is that the result are more easily computerized. Another point is for the advantages of the single locus probes, it is a results are more easily computerized. म्हणजे तो काय आहे, इझिली कॅम्प्युटराइज न डिटेक्ट होतो. ओके, इट इज आर द ॲडव्हान्टेजेस ऑफ द सिंगल लोकस प्रोब्स. अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस द ॲडव्हान्टेजेस वी आर प्रिफरिंग इन अ DNA fingerprinting द सिंगल लोकस प्रोब्स दॅन टू द मल्टिपल लोकस प्रोब्स. ओके, हियर इज अ प्रोब्स. Important point for the DNA fingerprinting, the repeated sequences like the MVR, STR, okay, and VTR, these the sequences and the designing the probe. According to this concept, there are the DNA fingerprinting techniques are performed. Okay, these are the concepts of the DNA fingerprinting. The procedure for the DNA printing or the scheme for the DNA fingerprinting. What is the scheme? Actual process for the DNA fingerprinting कशी होते ती पाहणार आहे आपण आता. The first step of the DNA fingerprinting, a drop of the blood or the semen or the piece of the hair root of the tissue